Hello, this is Chris, the producer for Data Center World Europe, which is fast approaching, where we'll be in Vienna on October 13th and 14th. I'm very excited to share another session preview with you on a topic that is of urgent importance in Europe today. So, we all know that Europe's data center industry faces a critical power access challenge. I mean, data centers can wait years to get a connection to the electrical grid. But what if there was a solution hidden in plain sight? Across Europe's industrial heartlands lies shuttered steel mills, automotive plants, and other commercial buildings that sit with dormant electric grid connection, which can range from anywhere from 50 to 300 megawatts of energy capacity. This untapped resource could be the key to bypassing bottlenecks while also revitalizing local post-industrial communities. Our panel, from steel mills to server halls, tapping Europe's post-industrial stranded power, brings together three expert voices turning brownfield sites into AI-ready data center infrastructure. So firstly, we have Mark Dorber, who's the co-founder and chief energy officer at Era4, which is expanding the UK's sovereign AI capacity with sustainable powered infrastructure. And they're redeveloping an old industrial steel mill in South Wales into a modern data centre. Frank Kuralt, who is the founder of BTM Data, is developing an old textile manufactory in Spain into a new powered land opportunity for a data center developer, drawing on his 25 years experience building renewable assets across Europe. They'll be joined by Nicola Lombardi, who is project director at Scott Brownrigg, whose architectural expertise has shaped data center designs globally, including on several brownfield redevelopment projects. So together, they're going to talk about how to identify and evaluate brownfield redevelopment opportunities. They'll explore the opportunities and challenges of developing industrial facilities to meet the standards of modern data centers, and also show how these projects can bring new jobs, resources into these post-industrial villages, towns, communities across Europe. So join us in Vienna on the 13th to 14th of October, where we're building Europe's energy-secure digital future.